I asked ChatGPT if is there a way in the Bible that a man can save himself. So, ang sagot niya sa akin ay, tanong ko sa kanya, is there a way the Bible can, in the Bible, that man can save himself? So, ang sagot niya sa akin ay, in the Bible, salvation is understood as a gift from God, not something that people can achieve by their own efforts. So, it is written in Ephesians 2, verse 8 to 9. It states, "For it is by grace you have been saved through faith. This is not from yourselves, it is the gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast." So this emphasizes that salvation comes through faith in Jesus Christ and God's grace rather than through human actions. So sinabi niya dito, hindi maliligtas ang tao sa kanyang sariling gawa o sa kanyang dahil sa kanyang kabutihan or sa kanyang mabubuting gawa, but salvation is a gift from God through faith in Jesus Christ. It is grace. So, however, individuals are encouraged to live righteous lives, obey God's commandments, and seek personal relationship with Him. But ultimately, it is God who grants salvation through His mercy and grace. So, napaka-clear po. Hindi naliligtas ang tao dahil sa kanyang gawa, kundi dahil sa mercy at grace ng Panginoon sa pamamagitan ni Jesus Christ. Now, the question is, ano ba yung grace? What is grace? What is grace? So, according sa Christian theology, grace refers to the unmerited favor and love of God towards humanity. Pag sinabi nating unmerited favor, unmerit, ibig sabihin, you do not earn it by doing good. So, nakukuha mo yan dahil pinili ka ng Diyos and dahil mahal ka ng Diyos. Hindi dahil sa kabutihan mo, o kahit na rin sa, sabihin natin, kahit gaano ka pa kasama, kung ililigtas ka ng Diyos, ililigtas ka niya. So that is grace. So, unmerited favor. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo gawa ng Diyos. So, grace is almost clearly seen in the context of salvation according to the New Testament. So, Ephesians 2 verse 8 to 9. Sabi diyan, "For it is by grace you have been saved." So, nabasa ko lang kanina. So, world religion right now, there are two types of religion. Religion by works and religion by grace. So, ask natin si ChatGPT. So, ang ano ba to? Religions by works salvation. So, hingi tayo sa kanya ng mga religions na nagtuturo ng work salvation. So, ano yun? So, work-based salvation refers to the beliefs people can attain salvation or a favorable afterlife through their good deeds. Good deeds. So, ano yung mga religion na yun? Una is Judaism. So, salvation by Judaism focuses more on covenant relationship with God and living a righteous life. So, yung mga Judaism kasi, sila yung mga mula sa Israel, and they believe that they can be saved by obeying the Ten Commandments. Next is Islam. So Islam, so salvation afterlife concept in Islam, salvation is understood as entering a paradise after the day of judgment. Whether one enters paradise is determined by God's mercy, but works plays a significant role. So naniniwala sila na kapag gumawa ka ng kabutihan sa mundo, makakapasok sa paradise. Kalawa yun, Islam. First kanina is Judaism, second is Islam, third is Hinduism. So salvation sa Hinduism naman is known as moksha, which refers to liberation from the cycle of birth and rebirth or samsara. So ang Hinduism kasi naniniwala sila sa birth and rebirth. So kapag gumawa ka na mabuti sa past life mo, magiging mabuti yung yung rebirth mo. Mapupunta ka sa mga mabubuting bagay. Mabubuhay ka sa bagong bagay o bagong tao na papala rin sa mundo. Parang ganun ba? Cycle of birth and rebirth. Next is Buddhism. So, salvation ng Buddhism, tinatawag na nirvana. Concept of Buddhism that seeks liberation from suffering in the cycle of birth and rebirth, samsara, through achieving the nirvana or ultimate peace. Sa Catholicism naman, this is pre-Reformation. So salvation concept in Catholic teaching, salvation comes through God's grace, but also involves cooperation with that grace through faith, works, and sacraments. So okay sana yung Catholic Church, naniniwala sila ng salvation ay by grace. But then, hindi kasi nawawala sa Roman Catholic Church yung natawag na tradition and works and pagsunod sa sakramento. So, yun yung tinuturo nila na kung ma-obey ka sa sacraments, if you will obey the sacraments, you will be saved. So, yun yung problema doon. Next is Jehovah's Witness. Yung Jehovah's Witness naman, naniniwala na salvation involves faith in Jesus and obedience in God's law. So, ganun pa rin. So, katulad sila ng Judaism, na naniniwala sa Ten Commandments. They strictly obey the Ten Commandments, and they believe that salvation comes through faith. But then they must obey the Ten Commandments in order to go to heaven. Sa Mormonism naman, salvation concept, Mormons believe in a combination of grace and works. So sa kanila naman, grace and works dapat magkasabay sa Mormonism. So sa Sikhism naman, salvation, ang tawag dito ay mukti concept. Sikhism teaches that salvation is the union with God and freedom from cycle of rebirth. So that's the Sikhism. So, in summary, Christianity, according to Protestant tradition, generally teaches that salvation comes by grace through faith alone without reliance on works. So, yung mga Protestants, yung silang naniniwala na salvation is through grace alone without reliance on works. So, other religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and some branches of Christianity, such as Catholicism and Mormonism, incorporate works and ethical behaviors as integral to the process of spiritual salvation or progression. So, yun. So, dalawa lang yung makakategorize mo sa dalawa yung religion sa mundo. Yung religion na naniniwala na good works plus grace is salvation, and yung religion na naniniwala na salvation is by grace alone. Now, if you look back to the Bible, sabi ko nga kanina, kahit si ChatGPT nag-agree sa akin that salvation is by grace alone. By grace alone. And if ever that there will be good works sa buhay mo, according kay ChatGPT at according din sa Bible, is that it is just a fruit of your salvation. Ibig sabihin, kung naligtas ka sa grace ng Panginoon, automatic as a fruit of that, as a result, gagawa ka ng mabuti. So, ang good works ay result at hindi means para maligtas ka. So, in simple term, yung good work ay bunga ng iyong salvation at hindi yung mag-good work ka para maligtas. So, I hope that's clear.